Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 45 and today we are looking at Excel shortcuts. So today I'm going to look at Alt equal shortcut and Alt tab shortcut. So why would you need shortcuts? Shortcuts, they help you to do your work much faster. So for example, using the Alt equal here, suppose you want to put totals here in your workbook on these three columns. A longer way you do that is to select the first column and put the sum formula. Then you select the rows you want to sum. Then you get your total for the first column. Then you can copy it across. But if you have a lot of columns, it might take time to do that. So a faster way of doing it without using a shortcut could be to use the AutoSum function or AutoSum functionality. So you find the AutoSum functionality here on under editing, or if you go to formulas, you can find it here. So in one click, you have already inserted your sum formula here in all the three columns in one go. Suppose you are in the data tab. So it's not here. For you to be able to get to the AutoSum function, you have to go either to Home tab or to Formulas tab. But if you don't want to go to the ribbon here, you can just make use of the shortcut. So you can just select where you want to put your sum formula and you click your Out button and your equal button. So it immediately then puts the sum formula here. The second shortcut we are looking at is Alt tab. So suppose you want to work between two workbooks or even more, and you want to be switching around the workbooks much quicker. One way of doing it, which is slower, is to locate the workbook window on your taskbar here. But then that takes a bit of time. If you just want to quickly switch between two workbooks, you can just make use of Alt tab. So you can click your Alt and tab and switch between two workbooks. So Alt tab, I'm now in the other workbook. I copy whatever I want to copy from this workbook, and then Alt tab, go back to my original workbook and paste it if I want it here. So this is how you can make use of this shortcut to switch around the workbooks instead of going here on the taskbar and locating your workbooks here. You can just make use of these shortcuts. So there are quite a number of shortcuts in Excel, and here I'm just showing you two of them. I'll be showing more shortcuts in the coming videos. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.